Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mitsubishi Lancer key battery. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 coin cell battery. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth on your work surface to prevent scratches. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in no time. To begin, find the small notch or slot on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, carefully note which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR1616 battery, ensuring it faces the exact same direction as the one you just removed. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. You should see the indicator light illuminate, confirming your new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.